Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Pelangi Duni Rinjani. Here I will present my article entitled Development of Learning Tools Model CIFC with Portfolio Assessment to Improve Indonesian Writing Skill in Grade 5 Elementary School. Introduction. Since elementary school, students have been taught six basic literacies. Literacy skills are basic skills that need to be honed and mastered by every individual. In Indonesian language learning, the writing process is one of the signs of student success. Many elementary school students still find it difficult to express their ideas and talk well in writing. As a result, student interest in writing activities is very low. In addition, teachers also experience obstacles in planning Indonesian language learning to be interesting and memorable for students. Through the CIRC model, students will be involved in groups in reading and writing activities that are more integrated and collaborative, while portfolio assessment will provide a comprehensive picture of student writing development over time. Students will also get constructive and specific feedback through portfolio assessment, which can help them improve their weakness and strengthen their strengths in writing. Research purpose. The purpose of this development research is to 1. Identify factors that cause elementary school students to have low writing skill, to develop learning tools based on the CIRC model with portfolio assessment that are valid, practical, and effective as an effort to improve the writing skill of grade 5 elementary school students. Methods. Research tip and design. This research method uses the research and development research method that adopts the ADDIE model. Place and time of research. This research was conducted in November 2023 at SDN Pajang 3 Surakarta, which is located at Jalan Rasito number 18 RT3 RW 8 Pajang Laweyan, Distrik Surakarta, City Central, Java 57146. Subject and object of research. The study involved 26 elementary school students from class 5 at SDN Pajang 3 Surakarta in the 2023-2024 school year, consisting of 10 male students and 16 female students. Will the object of this research are the CIRC model, portfolio assessment, and student writing skill. Data collection techniques. This study used interview, observation, questionnaire, and pretest post-test question in the data collection process. Data analysis techniques. Data analysis in this study use data analysis such as material and media export validity test, practicality test, and endgame test. 3. Result and discussion. 1. Analysis. The purpose of this analysis test is to analyze possible gaps in the teaching and learning process. Therefore, research conducted observation and interviews with class teacher and conducted writing skill test on students to obtain more detailed data. Tabel 1 Writing Skill Test Result. The table presents the result of the standard writing skill test and show that grade 5 students saw good enough criteria with an average score of all aspects of 60%. Meanwhile, from the result of observation and interview, researchers found a gap in Indonesian language learning. The gap in question is the lack of variety in the learning model chosen by the teacher, especially in writing activities. The researcher analyzed that the CIRC model is an effective solution. Through this learning model, students will perform various reading activities, integrated writing activities, which ultimately provide opportunities for students to develop language skills holistically. Design. At this stage, the results of the analysis stage are used to design learning device. The steps that researchers do at the design stage include 1. Determining the material to be used, 2. Determining learning outcomes and learning objectives, 3. Develop a teaching model using the CIRC model assessed by portfolio assessment. 3. Development. At this stage, researchers carried out development accompanied by material and media expert validity tests. Validity in this study was carried out by two validators, namely Hannes Umikalsum, SSM Pum, as a lecturer at Muhammadiyah University Surakarta, and Enik Nurul Hidayah SPD as 5th grade teacher at SDN Pajang 3 Surakarta. Table 2 Material Expert Validity Test Result. The table above presents the result of the material expert validity test and show that the teaching module based on the CIRC model with portfolio assessment has valid criteria with an average score of 18.5 from validator 1 and 18.9 from validator 2. Table 3 Media Expert Validity Test Result. The table above presents the result of the media expert validity test and shows that the teaching module based on the CIRC model with portfolio assessment has valid criteria with an average score of 18 from validator 1 and 85 from validator 2. For implementation, at this stage, the researchers implements the developed product. Researchers also test the practicality of the product obtained from the result of filling out a questionnaire by a 5th grade teacher and analysis the normalist gain test or endgain from working on the pre-test post-test question by student. Table 4 Product Practicality Test Result. The table above presents the result of the practicality test and show that the teaching module based on the CIRC model with portfolio assessment has very practical criteria with an average score of 18.8 from the validators. Table 5 Endgain Test Result. The table above presents the result of the pre-test and post-test by students and obtained an endgain score of 0.57 in moderate criteria. 5. Evaluation. This study uses formative evaluation. Formative evaluation is obtained from the result of the practicality questionnaire filled out by the 5th grade teacher. Calculation of the percentage of feasibility of teaching modules is carried out at the evaluation stage. The calculation result of the feasibility tests are already in the very good category even though there are several revisions, such as the addition of source in reading materials and teaching materials, the addition of learning style, improvement in STEP, and improvement in cognitive assessment grades. Overall, this developed research can be said to be successful, although in its implementation there are still some obstacles that can be anticipated and overcome properly by researchers. Conclusion: based on the result of the research, it was found the students' learning outcomes increased significantly in writing activities in Indonesia language learning in the classroom. This is evident from the assessment result of two consecutive validators from material and media experts who saw that the developed teaching module has valid criteria score with an average of 18.7% for material validity and 18.5% for media validity. Furthermore, the result of the questionnaire assessment of practitioner from class teachers show very practical criteria drop a score with an average of 18.8%. Finally, student result in solving pre-test and post-test questions show moderate criteria drop and endgain score of 0.57. Thus, the teaching module based on the CIRC model with portfolio assessment is declared successful because it has been tested regarding its validity, practicality, and effectiveness in classroom learning, especially in improving student writing skill. That's all my presentation. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.